Hyundai Alcazar. Well, mark my words that this will definitely be one of the best selling 7-seater SUVs in the Indian market in coming days. Most of the people right now, they are believing that it is just an extended version of the Creta. Is that true? Well, we are there to help you out with that. But before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to Auto Hunters India. And if you have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links of all our social handles are given in the description box below. With that being said, let us start. To begin with, let us talk about the engine options on offer. The Alcazar gets two engines which include a 1.5 litre diesel and a 2 litre petrol engine. The diesel engine can also be seen on the Hyundai Creta, while the 2 litre petrol engine is powering the Tucson and the Elantra in the brand's lineup. The petrol engine, on the other hand, churns out 159 HP and 192 Nm of peak torque output. Both these engines will be available with an automatic as well as a 6-speed manual gearbox. With the engine options now sorted, let us have a look on the dimensions. Well, we all know that the Creta and the Alcazar are based on the same platform and are almost similar to each other. But the talking point here happens to be the wheelbase. The Alcazar gets a claimed wheelbase of 2760 mm, which is almost 150 mm longer than the Creta. The longer wheelbase frees up more space inside the cabin, especially in the second and in the third row. Next is the exterior and the design. The Alcazar and the Creta share most of the body panels and also share some key design elements, but both of these vehicles are significantly different in terms of the looks. How? Well, Alcazar gets a new grille, tweaked bumper design and some changes on the side profile, such as a new prominent rear quarter glass. The rear of the Alcazar, it is completely redesigned and does not look similar to that seen on the Creta. To begin with, the rear profile now gets new wraparound tail lamps, some chrome work, a Fox dual exhaust chips and a more upright tailgate. So now it's time to check the interiors. The Alcazar gets a 6-seater or a 7-seater cabin as against a 5-seater cabin as seen on the Creta. The Hyundai Alcazar will be getting a dual tone finish inside the cabin, with the 6-seater variant getting a unique floor mounted central armrest in the second row, which is again unseen in most of the rivals right now. A sunroof will also be on offer on the higher variants, which will definitely be improving the overall ambience inside the cabin. With the interiors now sorted, let us have a look on the features on offer with the vehicle. Just like the Creta, the Alcazar will definitely be extremely loaded in terms of features. To begin with, the car is expected to get a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Apart from that, the vehicle will also be having features like the wireless charger, ventilated seats, ISO mount for the child seat, 360-degree camera system and a lot more. Well, if you are somebody who wants the vehicle to be feature rich, I would definitely want you to wait for the Alcazar before you make a next purchase. With that being said, more or less we have talked about everything, and let's now have a look on the most important aspect for any buyer in the segment. Well, that has to be the price. When compared to the Creta, the introductory prices of the Alcazar will be around 1 to 2 lakh more expensive, which I think will make the vehicle definitely a lot more value for money when compared to its rivals like the upcoming XUV 500, Tata Safari, MG Hector Plus and a lot more. The launch date of the Hyundai Alcazar is expected to be somewhere around the second half of May 2021. With that being said, it's bye for now. What according to you will be a better 7-seater SUV in the segment? Well, do let us know in the comments box below. If you like our content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it amongst your friends and do let us know what you think about both these vehicles in the comments box below. Also, we are planning a giveaway on Auto Hunters India very soon, so for more details stay tuned as a detailed video will be live in coming days. Thank you.